Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I'm going to do a makeup look, a very festive, easy type of a makeup look, and I'm going to use products under rupees 500 only. Actually, most of the products here are under 300 only. So I just have one or two that are around the price range of 500. So I'm keeping it a total of 500, under 500 makeup products. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you are someone who's new to this channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. I mostly do affordable makeup tutorials here and there, and then I do affordable fashion. So if you think that's a content you want to consume every 4 days a week, you can hit the subscribe button, along with that the notification bell as well. So that way you get updated every time I post a new video. So let's get on with the video now. So the first thing I'm going to use is this Skin Radiance Cream by Dermatouch. This I have been using it as a primer lately, and I really love it as a primer. This just gives a very beautiful finish on the skin. So I'm just going to use this as a primer. So as you can see, it definitely gave me quite a little bit of glow and hydration on the skin. So after that, I am going to use the Mars BB cream. I have two shades right here. I have the shade Tan and Medium. I really love using this BB cream a lot, and I feel like this is a perfect base, especially if you are someone who don't want to pile on a lot of makeup on your skin. I feel like this is the perfect one because it does give the coverage and it does look very beautiful on the skin. You can see it does give me a very beautiful finish with the coverage that I need. So that is why I absolutely love this BB cream so much. It is just beyond beautiful and flawless on the skin, and I just can't say how much I actually appreciate the coverage and the finish of this BB cream. So the next thing I'm going to use is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and I feel like this is one of the best concealers. Since I used a BB cream on my face, it has a very low coverage, medium coverage. So I really want to make my under eyes look very flawless. So I'm mixing both shades, and these two shades are perfect for my skin tone. So as you can see, the coverage on my under eyes are really good, and also I love that this actually makes it look so flawless. No creases, it doesn't look cakey, it's really beautiful. So another thing I'm going to use is a powder. Now every time I use a powder, you guys are like, oh my god, Arnakshi is using a compact powder. Yes, I am going to use a powder for today. So this is the Mars Wonder powder, and I have tested this out in my last video and I absolutely loved it. So I'm going to use this powder under my eyes. I love the puff that it comes in. It's a very soft puff, and it just makes the powder look very flawless as well. Just going to set a little bit on this area. So my under eyes are completely set right now. Yes, it looks beautiful. Now we are going to move on with my eyes, and then we'll move on to the face. So I'm going to do my brows first. So I'm just brushing the brows a little bit, and I'm just going to fill them in just a very tiny bit. I am going to use this Mars Eyebrow palette right here. Going to take the black and the brown shade, mixing it up. I'm going to take this S.F.R nude palette. Now this one is looking like Huda Beauty, and yes, it is like a exact copy of a Huda Beauty palette, and this is a S.F.R palette. They tend to replicate Huda Beauty, or they tend to replicate a lot of high-end makeup. So this is the palette that I'm going to be working with today. So I'm not going to do a lot on the eyes. I'm just going to keep it very glam, very simple. So I'm taking this shade right here as my transition shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to put this on the outer part so that it just gives a kind of a little bit of definition. once that is done, once the base is laid out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Mars liquid eyeshadow and I'm just going to place it on my lids right here. So as you can see, it just gives a very beautiful shine on the lids. I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. So this is how my eye look looks like. It looks very, very beautiful actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take now this Faces eyeliner, and it's in the shade brown. Actually, it's a kajal. So I'm just going to deepen up my outer corners a little bit with this eyeliner. I'm going to blend this out with a pencil brush. So after the eyeliner thing is done, I'm going to go back into the palette. I'm going to take this brown shade, just a little bit right here. So now I'm going to take this Mars mascara and I'm just going to put this on my lashes. I'm going to take this shade right here and this shade mixed in. So now coming on to the face, I'm going to use this Dazller. This is the foundation stick and it is in the shade Dusky FS2. So I'm going to just contour my cheekbones. Now for blush, I am going to use this Chariot cream blush. I really love this shade a lot. It is a very beautiful muted pink toned. So I'm just going to use this on my cheeks. So today I'm just going to leave my base at this. I'm not going to use any highlighter because I feel like highlighter is just going to highlight these areas, and I am having a little bit of texture in this area, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. So now I'm going to use the Inside lipstick, and it's in the shade, I'm going to use two shades, Cocoa and Desert Taupe. I feel like these two combined look so beautiful on my lips, so I'm going to use both of these shades. So this is how it looks like both combined. Now I really want to put some lashes on, and you guys know I got this from Amazon. I always get these lashes from Amazon and I feel like they are so perfect and fits my eye so well. So I'm just going to use these lashes today as well. So this is how the eye look looks like after putting the lashes. It just makes it look so dramatic, which I absolutely love. So the last thing here is to use this setting spray right here. This is the 3 AM setting spray, and oh my god, I love this so much. This just gives the very good glow on the skin, and it's just going to take away any powdery feeling that I might be having. And it's also very, very fine, as you can see. So I'm just going to... So I let this setting spray sink into my skin, and then you can see how the whole skin and whole makeup looks like. So after the setting spray has sinked into my skin, this is how my makeup looks like. As you can see, yes, it is looking a little bit more glowy. So I am going to take the powder I used before. I'm just going to lightly tap. And that's it. This is how my makeup turned out. I'm just going to show you a close-up of how it looks like. So I just wanted to let you guys know that currently Amazon is having the Great Indian Festival sale where every product I have used from Amazon. So I have provided all the links in the description box, and yeah, the sale is live now. So this is how my makeup look turned out. I really wanted to keep everything very minimal, but I also wanted it to be kind of a little bit more glam, little bit more festive. So I feel like this is a perfect festive look, especially if you are on a budget. You guys saw how I achieved this look with using such affordable products, and it totally looks beautiful. And yeah, everything I got it from Amazon. I'll leave all the links and everything down in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check everything out. I feel like this is a foolproof, amazing, glowy, festive look. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you liked the video, hope you found it helpful, and you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.